some problem based on the initial rate method. So these are the solved numericals. Numerical number 1, if a mixture of NO plus H2 is heated in high temperature, it reacts as this reaction, so it will give you N2 plus 2 twice H2O. So by taking different initial concentration of NO plus H2, following data is obtained. So these are the concentration of NO, this is the concentration of H2, and these are the rate of reaction for these three different experiments, that is R1, R2 and R3. So using the data given, calculate rate law for the reaction. Second is rate constant, and third is the rate of reaction when concentration of NO and concentration of H2 are this and this respectively. So first rate is using the rate law expression. This is the formula. So A and B are the partial order of the reaction. So taking two rate, that is R2 by R1. So this is R2 by R1, substituting the value. So if you substitute the value, so in this case value, what will happen? So concentration of H2 is equal, so only one left, that is NO concentration. So for NO concentration, A will be equal to, so rate 2 is this much, R1 is much. So if you solve it, you will get 4 value, this will get 2 value. So 4 is equal to 2 to the power A, because hydrogen will be cancelled. Both have same value, you can see this value is same. So you will get the order of A is 2. Similarly, if you do R3 by R2, so in this case again the concentration of NO is equal, so A will be different. So R3 by R2 will be this much value, and by cancelling this much, so you will get the this by this equal to nothing but the power of B. 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 to the power 1. So this is nothing but the B. So B is equal to 1. So rate law expression will be rate is equal to K into concentration of NO to the power 2 and concentration of H2 to the power 1. Now we'll see what is the rate constant. So rate constant will be rate equal to NO square by H2. So by solving you will get this much value, 2.5 into 10 per square, mole square per liter square per second square. Now rate of this is the combined concentration of NO and H2 will be different. Third question. So substituting this value K we know already. So on solving you will get this much concentration. Let us see second question. So for the reaction 3A is giving product if the concentration of reactant A is increased by 4 times, rate of reaction is doubled. Determine the order of reaction. So write the rate law expression, rate equal to K into A to the power M. So this is double, 2 into given rate will be 2 into rate, and A is 4 times. So write 4 times of A. So dividing this by this equation you will get 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4 to the power M. So M is nothing but this is the half. So if 1 by 2 whole square, this is nothing but the 1 by 2 whole square. So this will be your square, means this is your you can write here 2m. So here it will be 2m. So this is equal to 1. So m value of m will be how much? It will be a square, half. Let us see third numerical for the reaction 2A plus B equal to 2AB. So this is the rate of disappearance of B is, this is the rate of disappearance of A. So this is the 3 reactions 1, 2 and 3. So this is the A reaction, B reaction, these are the rate of different disappearance of A and B respectively. Find out order of the reaction. Second is rate constant. Third is the rate of formation of AB when concentration A is this much and when concentration B this much. So rate of disappearance of B will be minus dB2 by D2. So our rate of expression will be rate is equal to K into A to the power B, B 2 to the power N. So let us take experiment 1 by experiment 2 like the similar experiment. So this divided by this equal to this much by this to the power M. So on solving you will get M equal to 1. In this case concentration B will be equal is cancelling. You can see the concentration B. So this is same. Now we will take experiment 1 by 3. So 1 by 3, this is the experiment 1, experiment 3. So here A will be equal. So we will take only B concentration. So on solving we will get N equal to 1. So N equal to 1 and B M equal to 1. So order of the reaction will be 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Rate of disturbance B will be, so this is given here, K, and concentration of A dash is this much, B dash much, you will get K value this much, 0.8 liter per mole per second. Rate of formation of AB, so half of derivative of AB by dt equal to minus dBT by dt. So this is the rate of disappearance. So this is the rate of formation of AB will be 2 will be this side, and this we know already. This is 2 into 0.8 into 0.02 dash 0.04, this is equal to nothing but this much. So on solving you will get 1.28 into 10 power minus 3. So let us see next question. In the reaction between the A and B, initial rate of reaction was measured for different initial concentration A and B are given below. So this is the concentration of A, this much, this is the concentration of B, 3 concentration, and this is the rate of reaction of this is. So for this one A, B, this is the rate, for this one this is the rate, for this one this is the rate. So what is the order of the reaction with respect to A and B? So this you just practice for yourself because it's easy question. So on solving you will get the order of reaction of B, Y will be 0, AX will be this much reaction. So rate of this will be 0.5, almost 0.5. So rate will be how much? K into A to the power 0.5 and this is B to the power 0. So just solve it, you will get these two order of the reaction. Similarly for the reaction, this is reaction 2A plus B plus C is giving product. The rate law has been determined to be this much value, Ka and B to the power square. If the value of K is this much per second for the reaction, determine the initial rate of reaction with A equal to 0.2 molarity, B equal to 0.1 molarity, C equal to 0.5 molarity. So point C 5 is absent. So write A B square. So this is the K value given. So here will be K, and this is the A is 0.2 and B is 0.1 square. The next numerical, the rate of reaction starting with initial concentration of 2 into 10 power minus 3 molarity and 10 power minus 3 molarity are equal to 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 molarity per second. This and this. So for this reaction this one, for this reaction this much concentration respectively. Calculate the order of reaction with respect to reactant and also the rate constant. So A is giving product, so for rate will be Ka to the power alpha. So when this concentration, so this is one rate of reaction, rate law expression. When the rate of reaction is this much, so this value given K and the concentration of A will be this much. So two value 1 and 2 value. So if you divide this by this by this will cancel. So you will get the alpha value. So alpha is coming 4 equal to 2 by alpha. So alpha is equal to 2. So what is the K value? So K value will be this divided by this to the power alpha. So from here from 1. So this divided with to the power alpha, and solving you will get 0.6 into 10 power 2 mole per liter per second. Sorry, liter per mole per second. Starting with different initial amount of acetone. This is the second another question. The half-life period for the decomposition of acetone at 875 kelvins were found to be this follows. There are different pressures. This is the half-life of this pressure. So in this case, half-life of a reaction depends on the pressure of reactants according to the following equation. So T half is proportional to the 1 by P to the power n minus 1, and what is the n? N is the order of reaction. So for first order, what will become? This become half-life will be independent of pressure. So you are getting the constant value. So if you put n equal to 1, this becomes 1 by P will be 0. This will be 1 by P will be 0, means 1. This means it is independent of pressure. So you keep pressure anything, so half-life will be always constant. So you can see the half-life constant. This is the first order reaction. Now next, the half-life period for the thermal decomposition of phosphine at 3 different pressures are given below. So these are the partial pressure. These are 3 different pressures. This and this. Half-life of this in second is 84, 84, 84. Again you can see partial pressure is different. It is again increasing then decreasing, but the half-life is constant. So what is the order of this reaction? So clearly we can say half-life will be 1 by P to the power n minus 1. So if you put n equal to 1, so this becomes 0. So on 0 means half-life will be constant. So here also half-life is constant because of increasing or decreasing pressure. Another question, for the reaction 2A plus B is giving product, doubling the initial concentration of both the reactants, the rate increases by a factor of 8. And doubling the concentration of B alone doubles the rate law. So what is the rate law? So rate law expression for this reaction is rate of reaction will be rate constant to A to the power x, B to the power y. Or now when B is doubled, so when B is doubled, so R will be equal to 2R, and this will be Ax, and concentration of B will be 2B. So dividing this whole by this one, so you will get half of y because A will be cancelled. So y equal to 1. Now when A and B is doubles, now what happens when this is doubles? So again on doubling, so R will be equal to 8R, so, and this is doubling. So dividing again 1 by 3, so you will get this value. So again you know the y equal to 1, so x will be how much, 1 by 2, so solving you will get x equal to 2. So rate law expression will be k into a square by b square. Next question, the rate expression of a plus b2 is giving product is dx by dt and ka b2 whole square. If the concentration of a and b is tripled, now here a and b triple, what will be the rate of reaction? So this is the rate law expression. Now what will be new rate? So a will be 3a and b will be 3b2. So on solving, so 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27. So new rate will be 27 times of old rate of reaction. A reaction is second order with respect to a reactant. How is the rate of reaction affected if the concentration of the reactant is reduced to half? What is the unit of constant for such a reaction? So now this is 2A is giving product. So rate of rate law expression will be rate equal to k into a square. So new rate will be, this is half k by 2 whole square. So this becomes k a square by 4. So 1 by 4 outside. So this is the 1 by 4 times of the old rate of reaction. And unit will be same. Write a rate expression for the following reaction if the order of reaction is first, second and 0 with respect to A, B and C respectively. This is the rate expression. Also, what will be the effect on the velocity of reaction if the concentration of A, B, C are doubled? So this is the rate law expression. A new rate will be concentration A will be double, B will be double, C will be double. So this becomes your 2 into 2 square. This is 0. 2 into 2 square will be how much? 8 times. 4 into 8 times. So this is 8 times is increase. So our velocity will, of reaction, that is rate law of following reaction is our, let us see next numerical. Following reaction takes place in one step, that is 2NO. This is in gas form. O2 reaction with the O2, it will give you 2NO2 in gas form. How will the rate of above reaction change if the volume of the reaction vessel is diminished to 1/3? So your volume of the reaction vessel, it is decreasing to 1/3 of its original volume. Will there be any change in the order of the reaction with the reduced volume? Let us see. This is the rate law expression, k NO2 whole square O2 whole square. So now NO is 3 times. Okay, so 3 NO whole square. This is 3 times of oxygen. So it will be how much? So k NO2 O2, and this will be 3 times. Why 3 square 3? Because in this case, what we are seeing, if the volume of the vessel diminishes to 1/3, then what will happen? The concentration will become triple. So you have to take care of this thing. If you are decreasing the volume, then you are increasing the concentration of reaction. So it will, the new rate will become 27 times of old rate because of the diminishing of the volume. So this is one of the important questions. The rate of reaction between A and B increases by a factor of 100. So when the concentration of A is increased 10 folds, what is the order with respect to A? So rate law expression is rate is equal to k e to the power x, and new rate is 100, and this is 100 times. So on solving, so x must, this is only possible when you take x equal to 2. If you take x equal to 2, then 10 square equal to 100. So order of reaction with respect to x is A is 2 only. For the reaction A is converting to B, the rate of reaction is quadrupled when concentration A is doubled. The rate of reaction is R equal to k e to the power n. So what is the value of n? So this is the rate law expression. Now this becomes 4 times. Quadruple means 4 times, and A is doubled. So when A is doubled, then 2 times of A. This is the 2 times of A to the power n. So 4R will be how much? So if you divide this by this, so on dividing, this is, you will get 1 by 4, and this will go 1 by 2 to the power n. So this is nothing but the 1 by 2 whole square. So n is equal to 2. So rate will be k a to the power a to the power square. So value of m is how much? N value of n is, that is 2. So order of reaction for this is